Hi everybody, so I am back with my another video and today we are going to do a mini saw haul, and let me introduce you to my sister who is least interested in the video.
Hi everyone.
So she is Muskan and she will be helping me out, or she will be
A part of the video.
a part of my video.
Yeah.
And we will be discussing all the stuffs that we got from Miniso, and it is all under 500 rupees. So I think this will be a really helpful video to everyone, and let's get into the video.
Yes.
Okay, तो पहली चीज जो हमने खरीदी थी that was these hangers that we took for like in the bathrooms and in the kitchen. So this was for rupees 190 and this has 4 hangers. Okay, so the next thing that we got was these facial razors. I really prefer using facial razors other than waxing my face or using a bleach on it. So these are the facial razors that we got for rupees 190, and this is the way we shave our face. I'll be doing a
You
different,
can also shave your eyebrows if you
not the entire eyebrows.
Yeah.
You can shape your eyebrows, not shave your eyebrows. Okay.
Like, I'll show you how.
No, thank you. Thank you so much. And this was for rupees 190. I will do a separate video, and if you want to see how do I shave my face, so we get 3 razors in this for rupees 190. If you cut yourself, don't blame me. Okay, now moving on to the next one. Next thing that we got from there was this head mask, sorry, head wrap, which we can use when we have applied some face pack, or जब हमने कुछ यूज किया अपने फेस पे, अपने बालों को पीछे रखने के लिए हम ये हेड रैप यूज कर सकते
I
हैं.
will just show how.
Yes, she will help me out with all the thing and show me how we use it. So I think you all know how we have to wear a head wrap. Forget this one. This is a,
Yeah, please don't follow me.
yeah, don't follow her. Okay, so the next thing I got was these face sheets that we get in Miniso. मैं बहुत excited थी इसको देखने के बाद, क्योंकि मैंने almost हर एक Miniso haul जो YouTube पे available है उसमें देखा है कि bloggers इसको खरीद रहे हैं. But I was not very much satisfied with this. अब इसमें होता क्या है actually, we have these capsules in this, और हम इस कैप्सूल को किसी भी लिक्विड में डिप करेंगे तो ये बड़ा हो जाएगा, एंड फिर हम उसको अपने फेस पे लगा सकते हैं. दिस इज लाइक अ शीट मास्क. ये शीट मास्क की तरह होता है, लाइक दिस यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. एंड हम जिस भी लिक्विड में इसको डिप करेंगे उसका वो फॉर्मूला इसके अंदर सोक हो जाएगा, और जब हम फेस पे लगाएंगे शीट मास्क की तरह वर्क करेगा. So I got this one for rupees 190. We had one more option in this that was coming in a box, और उसके साथ एक bowl था, and that was for 250. So I didn't found any sense in buying that one. So I went for this one, and this is for 190. Do you want to tell them how to use this?
No, because difference of opinions. I don't like this product because I think a normal sheet mask is a better option, because like in Nykaa or anywhere you can get a sheet mask. Even I think Miniso mein there are
Yes,
sheet
yes,
masks.
yes, really
I think 50 rupees ka sheet mask.
It is 60. Yeah.
60 rupees, and I think it is better because iske liye you have to make a solution, then just soak it in and everything. So I find that one better. So maybe you can try both and decide what is better. I find that one better.
I went this one because मैंने इतने सारे हॉल्स देख लिए थे और मेरे अंदर एक कीड़ा घुस गया था कि इसको ट्राई करके देखना है एक बार ये कैसे काम करता है. बट ये काम कभी कभी कर भी सकता है, बट मैंने सिर्फ पानी में ट्राई किया इसको, एंड इट वॉज नॉट वर्थ एनीथिंग. So now, as she was talking about the sheet mask that we get from Miniso, I have got 4 of them, and surprisingly maximum of them are honey only. Okay, one I got is papaya. I got these sheet masks, and these retail for rupees 60. And I think these are better than those sheet masks.
I think it's a steal because 60 rupees sheet mask you're getting.
Yes,
is
actually,
really nice.
in every brand you are getting above 100 only or 100. So I will just like to try this, and I will share the review on my Instagram story. So stay connected.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next product I have with me is this lip balm. Actually, I was really impressed with its packaging. This shows vitamin E, and I found it really cute. एंड बेसिकली मिनीसो जाने का मोटिव ही होता है क्योंकि वहाँ पे आपको इतने सारे क्यूट प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते
मेरे
हैं.
पास आ जाया करूँ.
दैट वाज सो बैड. ओके, तो वहाँ पे इतने सारे क्यूट प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं कि हमको लेना ही पड़ता है. अब इसकी आउटर पैकेजिंग ऐसी है, बट प्लीज डोंट जज अ बुक बाय इट्स कवर. Inside you get this, and which is not at all like I'm not impressed with its packaging. It's simple white color tube, and inside you will get this pink color lip balm. I thought that it will be a natural color, but it is tinted. So I am not impressed with this lip balm. I got this for rupees 120, which is okay with the pricing. Lip balm for this much is okay, but not worth. Okay, so the next product I have is these cotton sanitary napkins that we get from Miniso, and this was really a steal because I got this for rupees 90, and these are the cotton pads because nowadays when we use those Whisper, and they are also giving cotton pads, but I wanted to try something new, so I just went for this one. Now the review for this one also I'll be sharing on my Instagram story because right now I have not used this. Okay, so moving on to the next one is these cotton pads. I really loved them because again this was something that I was very much impressed after looking so many hauls. मेरे को लगा कि कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो फिक्स थी कि ये लेनी ही है, ट्राई करनी है. So this packet is having 180 cotton pads in it, and this is for 150 rupees. This is like amazing because अगर आपको वो कॉटन वाला बंडल भी लेना होता है तो वो भी 100 से कम का नहीं आता है. उसमें आपको कॉटन पैड्स मिल रहे हैं. So I'll show you the cotton pad. This is the pad that we get inside this, and this is really soft and makeup removing. We really will be
कितना क्यूट लग.
Okay, let's ignore them. And this was a steal. I like this. Okay, now moving ahead, our next product is, why have you done this to him? The next thing I got from there is these bowls because I had no reason to buy them, but yes, I was again very impressed with these colors. There are really pretty looking cute colors, and I like the bowl, so I got them. And this packet is having 6 colors, 6 bowls, and it is for 190 rupees. I think इस पे तो मम्मी नहीं डांटेंगी खर्चा करने के लिए.
Yeah, actually one thing that I find very good in Miniso is everything is very cheap.
Actually अभी
500 से ऊपर में कुछ होता भी है वहाँ पर, ऐसे नॉर्मल चीजें.
वहाँ पे आप अगर 1000 रुपए लेकर जाते हो ना तो आपको एक सेटिस्फैक्टरी चीजें मिल जाएंगी जो आपकी लिस्ट में होगा.
एंड हम लोग शायद डियोस दिन आए, वरना उनके
हाँ,
डियोस
perfumes are
बहुत
really
अच्छे
good.
होते हैं. या
बट आई लाइक दैट जेमिनी वन, और वो उस दिन स्टोर पे अवेलेबल नहीं था. जेमिनी परफ्यूम ऑफ दैट मिनीसो इज रियली गुड. आई हैव ट्राइड दैट. And now the next thing I got was this nail paint remover, and this was for rupees 60, only 60 rupees, and this is having those pads in it, cotton pads. Thank you. Okay, sorry for distracting you. And this is in lemon flavor, so it smells like lemon. And let me show you the pads. This is having these cotton pads in it. Removing the nail paint. Okay, so this was my next product. Now the next one is this body wash. This is the gentle body wash, cleanses and hydrates the body, leaving skin soft and scented. Now, because this is a lemon flavored body wash, so I am very much sure that it will leave my skin scented, my body scented, and it really smells too strong like a lemon. Yes, it is having a proper lemon smell, so I am very much convinced that yes, this would be something good. And this I got for rupees 170. And the last thing that I have is this face wash scrubber or something that you use while washing your face. Though I'm not a person who would go something that is harsh on your skin, though this is not harsh on my skin, but when it vibrates, and the vibration is only felt in your hand because you are holding that this scrubber, and no vibration is felt on your skin. It is just like something fancy that people may buy for, and otherwise this is not worth it. And it was for rupees I have lost the packet. It was for rupees 499 as I remember. And this is a not good product. This was not something that I expected, because the vibration is not even reaching your skin, it is only in your hand. And for something that is working only on your hand and not on the place where it is supposed to work, this is not a good to go thing. Okay, so this is a wrap. This is a roll of paper. Actually, this is a paper roll that we can just spread under our cupboards or in our shelves to keep our products on it. We can also spread this in our kitchen. जब वो wardrobe गंदी हो जाती है या कबर्ड के शेल्व्स के नीचे हम इसको बिछा सकते हैं, ताकि the clothes that we are keeping on it doesn't get dirty anyway. Okay, so this one was for rupees 60, and the print on it was really cute, which made me buy this one. Okay, so now that's all with my Miniso haul, and I hope you all liked this video. Please do comment and tell me that what were the products that you really liked and what you disliked, so I can so the people who are watching this will also get an idea that yes, these are the products to buy and not to buy. And look who came to say you, wish you all a goodbye. It's my Gaddu. His name is Mario, but I call him Gaddu, and please don't make it dirty, Mario. Say bye. Say bye. 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 Okay. Bye. So that's all with my video. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.
Bye bye.